Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview round above ground swimming pool. Have plenty of fun with your family and friends with this coolest swimming pool in your garden or backyard. This above ground pool combines durability and style. Thanks to the premium steel frame and reinforced walls, the above ground pool is also highly stable. The pool is easy and quick to set up. Just lay the pool down on a flat surface, install the entire frame, and fill the pool with water. With the drain valve, the water can be discharged easily and quickly too. The pool is easy to fold for storage and transport when not in use. Product benefits. This swimming pool is easy to assemble and easy to store. The lightweight and durable PVC material can provide structural integrity for the pool. The package includes underwater adhesive repair patch and built-in flow control drain valve. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.